5 methods by which you can save petrol in your bike. Maintain proper tire pressure. Keeping your bike's tires properly inflated can help improve fuel efficiency. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance, which requires more energy to move the bike forward and can cause your bike to use more fuel. Check your tire pressure regularly and keep your tires inflated to the recommended level. Avoid sudden acceleration and braking. Sudden acceleration and braking can increase fuel consumption, as it requires more energy to get the bike moving from a stop or slow down from high speeds. Instead, accelerate and brake gradually and smoothly. Keep your bike well maintained. Regular maintenance of your bike can help improve fuel efficiency. This includes changing the oil and air filter regularly, keeping the chain lubricated, and ensuring that the bike is in good working condition. Reduce unnecessary weight. Carrying unnecessary weight on your bike can increase fuel consumption. Avoid carrying heavy items on your bike unless it's necessary. Plan your route. Plan your route before heading out, and try to avoid traffic congestion and routes with steep inclines, which can cause your bike to use more fuel. Use a GPS or map to find the most fuel-efficient route to your destination. Implementing these methods can help you save petrol and improve the fuel efficiency of